What if I told you it only takes one lens?
We wanted to explore the possibilities of a single lens. Maybe it's the flexibility, the image quality, or the focal length that make it amazing. So we took one of our personal favorites, the Tamron 35-150, to see what we could create.
Coming to Iceland, you obviously want to capture the breathtaking beauty this country has to offer. And with this lens, we were able to get the versatility of all the portrait focal lengths. Even from 35, it was beautiful to capture the vastness of the scenery. And going up to 85, obviously, it's the most beautiful focal length for a beautiful compressed image.
So with 150 millimeters on that telephoto end, it means that you can either compress that image and get a really nice looking image from that, or you can go for things like wildlife or sports, and it would be a great option for that. And one of the best features about it is it's going to be stabilized. So with stabilization built into that lens, it means we can shoot at those longer focal lengths. We can even go down to slow shutters for things like landscapes like this, and it will be an absolutely stabilized and really nice looking image. So while it isn't that uncommon to find a lens with this kind of focal range, it is pretty rare to find it with an aperture as wide as this. So with an f2.8 to f4, it means that if you're in low light, images are gonna look great. You can blur out that background. You can get all of those nice portrait aspects that you would like in a lens. And it's just overall something that's pretty rare to see with a range like this.
This lens also became a quick favorite of mine for video with the variety of different focal lengths combined with that wide aperture. And having image stabilization built in meant that I could even take this out for some handheld shots.
So welcome to Iceland. We figured we'd started out the most epic way we know how. And let us know in the comments if you've got our next destination that we should go. We'll give you a shout out if we pick it, but we're looking forward to it. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon in the next One Lens Challenge.